Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another product review. This video is going to be another Alpha Outpost unboxing. This box is going to be July's box. I don't exactly have kind of any idea what's going to be in it. Stay tuned and we'll dig right into it. Welcome back everybody. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. Like I stated before the intro, tonight's going to be another unboxing of my monthly subscription of Alpha Outpost. This box is going to be July box and it's a pretty hefty box. Before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you stay through the whole video and you like it, make sure you hit that thumbs up and don't forget to hit the notification bell for future uploads. If you aren't familiar with Alpha Outpost, it is a monthly outdoor subscription box. Your first box is $5. Anything after your first box will be $39.99, I think like 40 bucks, plus shipping and handling, I believe. To me, my honest opinion, I have liked every box that I've received, and I've been getting boxes for maybe about 8 months, 7-8 months, and everything in the box is pretty cool. It's pretty cool to me anyway. Also, in each box there's one item that will equal the total amount of the box, so that's always good to know. Let's rip into this sucker. It's a pretty beefy box. It's pretty skinny though, but it's got some girth on it. So I did the liberty of cutting the tape already. I did not look in the box. I never look in the box, so what you guys see, I will be seeing first. The box for July is called the Kama box, K-A-M-A. And like I said, everything you guys are seeing, it'll be a first for me too. Let's see. Ooh, I like what I see. Holy crap. In every box you get a little pamphlet. It tells you what's in the box, the contents basically. Wow. I kind of been waiting for a box like this, and this, wow. Alright, first off, the first thing you see in the box is the patch. And these patches I personally really like because they're nice thick patches. They're Velcro patches, and man, they got a good grip on them, as you see. That's a pretty awesome patch. Holy crap. Alright, let's see if I can get this sucker out of here. Alright, first item. Looks like a neck knife. And that's exactly what it is. As you can see, it's in this little... That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Sharpness of it, it ain't too bad. It'll probably need a good sharpening. That'll still hurt if you impale something. But that's the second item rather. Nice little neck knife. And we got a nice sheath to go with it. Let's see if it locks into place. It's got that nice audible click. So you can see. Let's test it out. So that is the first item. Nice little neck knife. Very cool. See, I like that type of stuff, guys. I think I got about around 30 knives. I collect here and there. The next item, it looks like another neck knife, but it looks different. Oh wow, it's like a karambit type knife. If you guys are familiar with karambits, check that out. A little karambit. Got their little logo on it. Sharpness, not too bad. Again, it'll need a little bit of a sharpening. It's got a nice little sheath with it. Pretty cool. Hear that nice audible click for you guys. There you go. And the shake test. Looks like it'll hold up pretty good. Because I don't know about you, but I don't want to be wearing one of these and it fall down into my shirt and get stuck with it. So that makes number 2 neck knife. And the last item, it's fairly large. Oh, you guys are gonna like this. Wow. Check that out. I feel kind of like, what's the guy's name in Children of the Corn? Check that out. That is awesome. This is the first time I've ever owned one of these, or ever received one rather. It's a Kama knife. Wow. Holy man. Look at that bad boy. I would not want to be on the receiving end of that thing. Check that out. And it's got, looks like 550 paracord on the handle for a better grip. Wow. I'm really impressed. I really, really like this. And it's got like a sheath for it. Sharpness of this, now that's pretty sharp. That probably won't need a little bit of a sharpening, but that's pretty sharp. Very nice box. I like these type boxes because, like I said, I'm an avid knife collector, and I got a bunch of knives, I'll put it that way. And as I stated, you get one of these, kind of what's in the box itself. And I'll leave a link down in the description to let you guys know a little bit of history on that type of knife. But that'll do it. Kind of a littler box, but definitely impressed by what was in this. Like I said, guys, it's $5 for your first box. Anything there and after, if you like it, it's $40. I want to say thank you to Alpha Outpost. Thank you guys if you're still here watching the video. Thank you so much for the support. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Until the next video, guys, peace.